video, we are going to discuss about number systems. Widely used four number systems are decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system, and hexadecimal number system. And as the name implies, decimal number system has 10 symbols, binary number system has 2 symbols, octal number system has 8 symbols, and hexadecimal number system has 16 symbols. First, let us discuss about decimal number system. Decimal number system has 10 symbols: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Hence, its base is 10. And the maximum single digit number is 9. And this is how we will expand the decimal number. For example, 2586 means 2 into 10 power 3 plus 5 into 10 power 2 plus 8 into 10 power 1 plus 6 into 10 power 0. So thousands, hundreds, tens and ones. And next number system is binary number system. Binary number system has only two elements, 0 and 1. The simplest form of binary digit is bit. And it has two symbols as I told earlier, 0 and 1. And this is how we have to convert a binary number into a decimal number. For example, 1101 is first is 2 power 0, then 2 power 1, then 2 power 2, then 2 power 3. So when we expand 1 into 2 power 3 plus 1 into 2 power 2 plus 0 into 2 power 1 plus 1 into 2 power 0. 8 plus 4 plus 0 plus 1. Then it is 13. Next, another example is 10101. This is how 21 is the answer. If we have a fraction number, then the weights are negative numbers. So we will be having 2 power minus 1, 2 power minus 2 and 2 power minus 3. So for example, 0.101 means 1 into 2 power minus 1. So it is 1 into 0.5. So it is 0.5. 0 into anything is 0. Then 2 power minus 3 is 0.125. So 0.5 plus 0.125. So it is 0.625. Like that, we have to convert a binary number into a decimal number. If you want to convert a decimal number into binary number, then we have to do the division. For example, you take this 13 as the decimal number. So I want to convert into binary. What I have to do is just divide by 2. So 2 when you divide, then the quotient is 6 and the remainder is 1. Then again I am dividing by 2. Quotient is 3, then remainder is 0. Then I am dividing that 3 by 2. Remainder is 1 and quotient is also 1. So we have to write 1101 from the bottom to top. So 1101 is the answer. So similarly, if I take a bigger number 139, then again I have to divide by 2. I am getting quotient as 69 and the remainder as 1. Like that it goes on. And finally, till we get 1, I have to go on dividing. So the answer is 10001011. Again, if I have fraction 0.4375, I am taking that as the example. Then we have to multiply by 2. So when I multiply 0.4375 by 2, then I will be getting 0.8750. That integer part you leave and the fractional part alone you take 0.8750 into 2. Then you will be getting 1.75. Again you take only the fractional part 0.75, multiply by 2, you will be getting 1.5. Then that 0.5 you take, multiply by 2, you will be getting 1.0. Then till it becomes 0 we have to do, otherwise at least 4 digits we have to do. Then we have to take the answer only the integer parts, that is 0,111 from the top to the bottom. 0,111. So the answer is 0.0111 to the base 2. Another example let us take 0.782. Then when I multiply by 2, I will be getting 1.564. Then 0.564 I am multiplying by 2. Then I will be getting 1.128. Just I am taking only the fraction and multiply again and again. Here till the end it is not, the fractional part is not going to be 0. So that doesn't matter. You take just 4 bits, or this many bits is not necessary usually. Just for example I have taken. So the answer is the 1100000001. You can have that as the answer, or just 4 digit or 5 digit is enough. Then the next number system is octal number system. Octal number system, as the name implies, it has 8 symbols, namely 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. The maximum single digit number is 7. And we will be usually represent the base as 8. Again the conversions. First let us convert a octal number into a decimal number. 2057. If I take that as the octal number, I want to convert into decimal, means just we have to expand 8 power 3, 8 power 0, 8 power 1 and 8 power 0. That is the weights. Okay. So 8 power 3 is 512 into 2, so you will be getting 1024. Then 0 into anything is 0. 8 power 1 8, 8 into 5, so 40. 8 power 0 is 1, multiplying by 7 you will be getting 7. So 1024 plus 40 plus 7 you will be getting 1071 to the base 10. Similarly, you can take another one simple example. 137 means we have 3 digits. So the least digit is, weight is 8 power 0. Next is 8 power 1. Next is 8 power 2. So 1 into 8 power 2 plus 3 into 8 power 1 plus 7 into 8 power 0. So you will be getting 95 as the answer. And this is another example. So if I have fraction, means then the weights are negative weights. So near the decimal point it is -1, then next digit is -2. So 2 into 8 power -1, then 5 into 8 power -2. So we have 8 power -1 is 0.125 and 8 power -2 is 0.015625. And just multiply, you will be getting 0.25 and 0.017825, add both, then you will be getting 0.267825. So again we can have just four digits or maximum 5 digits as the answer. This is another example. Now we are going to convert a decimal number into an octal number. So to convert a decimal number into an octal number, we have to divide by 8. I am just taking the example as 95. I am just dividing by 8, then 8 into 11, 88. The remainder is 7. So the quotient is 11 and the remainder is 7. Then again divide by 8, then you will be getting 1 as the quotient and 3 as the remainder. So the answer is 137. We have to take from the bottom to the top. So 137 is the answer. Another example, 250. Just divide by 8. Then you will be getting quotient as 31 and remainder as 2. Then again divide, quotient as 3 and remainder as 7. So you will be getting 372 as the answer. If we have fraction, then we have to multiply by 8. For example, I have taken the number as 0.4375. Just multiply by 8, you will be getting 3.5. Then again multiply by 8, you will be getting 4.0. So since it is fractional part is 0, we can stop here. The answer is, again we have to take from the top to bottom. So 34, which is in the red color. 0.34 to the base 8. That is the answer. Then how to convert a binary number to an octal number. So each each octal digit is represented by a 3-bit number. Okay, or 3-digit binary number. So here we have given the number. So this is actually 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2. That's what the weight, as we know already. So this is, for example, 111 means 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2. 2 power 2 is 4. 4 plus 2 plus 1. So you are getting 7. So similarly the numbers. So simply directly we can write the numbers. This is what the tabular column. Then just a binary number I am taking 10110.01. First thing what we have to do is we have to group by 3. So here, so this 110, this is one group, we have to take from the decimal point. Okay, then next 0 1, then you include 10. So if you include 10 in the left hand side, it is not going to change the value, so you will be having this. Similarly this side, that is a fractional part, also we have to add 10. So the answer for 110 is, here see, 110 is 6. So this answer is 6. And similarly this 0 10, we have to assume 0 here, so 0 10 is 2. Similarly here 0 10, so this is 2. So 26.2 is the answer for 10110.01. So next and the last number system is hexadecimal number system. So as the name implies, it has 16 symbols or digits. So the numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then A represents 10, B represents 11, C represents 12, and D represents 13, E represents 14, and F represents 15. So here again, how to convert a hexadecimal number into a decimal number system. For example, I have taken the hexadecimal number as a BAD. Okay. So here again, when we want to convert into a decimal number, we have to use 16 powers. So specifically the 16 power 0, then 16 power 1, then 16 power 2. So the B represents 11, so 11 into 16 power 2, and A represents 10, 10 into 16 power 1, and D represents 13, so 13 into 16 power 0. 16 power 0 means it is just 1, so 13 into 1. So here 16 power 1 16, then 16 power 2 is 256, 256 into 11. So that is 2816 plus 160 plus 13, so 2989. That is the answer for this conversion. Similarly, we can have another example. 1AF means 1 into 16 power 2 plus A into A means 10, 10 into 16 power 1, F means 15, 15 into 16 power 0. That is 15 into 1 plus 10 into 16 plus 1 into 256. So 256 plus 160 plus 15, that is 431. This is another example. Again, if I have a fractional number, then the weights are 16 power minus 1 and 16 power minus 2. So here F, near F, actually this is F, near F it should be 16 power minus 1. For 5 it should be 16 power minus 2. So 15 into 0.0625 and 16 power minus 2 is 0.00390,625. So when you multiply, you will be getting this answer. Just add, you will be getting this 0.95703125 is the answer. So similarly, how to convert a decimal number into an hexadecimal number means we have to divide 2989. For example, I am taking as a decimal number, means just divide by 16. I have taken the specific example which we did already, so that it will be easy for you to relate. 16, when you divide by 16, then you will be getting 186, and the remainder is 13. Then again divide by 16, you will be getting 11 as the quotient and 10 as the remainder. So the 11 means it is B, 10 means it is A, and 13 means it is D. So you will be getting the answer as BAD to the base 16. Another example, 250. 250 means just divide by 16. So you will be getting quotient as 15. So and the remainder as 10. So 15 means it is F, 10 means it is A. So you have to write it as FA to the base 16. Again, if it is a fractional part, then we have to multiply by 16. 0.4375. If I have taken that as the number, multiply by 16, you will be getting 7.0. Since the fractional part becomes 0, we can stop here. The answer is 0.7. And next type of conversion is binary to hexadecimal conversion. So here each hexadecimal digit is represented by 4-bit or 4-digit binary number. Okay, this is what the tabular column. For 0 it is 000. For F, that is 15, it is 1111. It is easy to remember because the weights are 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3 means 8421. 8421, or you can in the column wise it is very easy. 8421 is the base above. So here 8 zeros you have to put and 8 ones. Similarly 4 means 4 zeros 4 ones, 4 zeros 4 ones. 2 means 2 zeros 2 1, 2 zeros 2 1. 1 means 1 0, then again another 1 1, then again another 1 0, like that. So you can write like that also, nothing wrong. So it is easy to remember if you write like that. Then we will take a specific example. 10110.01. So again here we have to group by 3 because each hexadecimal digit is represented by 4 bits. So 0110, the remaining part here 1 is there, remaining we have to assume zeros. So this first part 0110. So for that we have to write the answer. For 0110 if you take it is 6. So we have to write 6 as the answer. For these two we have to assume zeros. This left hand side here. So if I have 2 0, then 0 0 1 0. 0 0 1 0 here is 2. Then here 0 1 0 0. 0 1 0 0 is 4. Here see 0 1 0 0 is 4. So the answer is 16.4 to the base 16. Similarly, it will work for hex to binary also. Then the last type of conversion is octal to hexadecimal conversion. So there is no direct conversion from octal to hexadecimal. Either we have to convert to binary or we have to convert to decimal. Converting to binary is easier. So we will be following that step. First, as an intermediate step. Okay. For example, I have taken 26.2 to the base 8. What I am going to do is first I have to convert into binary. As we know, binary means we have to represent as a 3-digit binary or 3 bits. For 6 it is 110, for 2 it is 010, for again this side 2, it is 010. Now we have to convert into hexadecimal. For that we have to group by 4. So this 0110, that is one group. Then 01 means we have to assume 2 zeros. Here 10 we have to assume. Okay. So 0110 means it is 6. Similarly, this is 01. Then we have to have 2 zeros. So 0011. Similarly, 0100 is 4. The same example we have taken so that it will be easy for you to remember. So the answer is 16.4 to the base 16. And this work both ways, octal to hex, hex to octal. Another example, 726.5 to the base 8 means just I am grouping by, just I have to represent 6 by 3-digit number 110, then 2 again 010, for 7 it is 111, then for 5 it is 101. Now we want to convert into hexadecimal means we have to group by 4. Okay, so 0 1 1 0, this is one group, then 1 1 0 1, this is another group. So for that the value is D 1 1 0 1. You can refer the table before. Here similarly here 0, otherwise just you remember 8421 and put that value and find out. So for example 8421 means these two are 1, so 4 plus 2 is 6, like that also you can calculate. So 1010 means 8421, so here for this one 8, then for this one it is 2, 8 plus 2 is 10, so you will be getting A. So 1D6 point A, that is the answer.